Hi, I'm Simon from the Bracketeer, home of the world's #1 selling car fire extinguisher bracket. The Bracketeer is compatible with most makes and models of current and classic vehicles, and it can be installed in around 10 minutes without any drilling. It's made from A572 steel, and it's the same steel they use in truck chassis and in construction, so you know this thing's going to be rock solid. It features this adjustable spacer bar with slots at either end. That's what gives it the ability to adjust the width to fit a wide variety of different vehicles. The clamping loops have been designed to drop down onto the inner lip of the seat rail at the front or the rear of the seat. Once in position, you simply tighten the grub screw and it clamps up on the seat rail, providing a very rigid and secure mount. Now, if you're mounting this into a Korean or a Japanese vehicle like a Mazda, Toyota, Hyundai, you may not have access to the front of those seat rails because they'll be tucked back under the seat. So we've thought about that as well. On this end, you'll notice that we've actually inverted the clamping loop and there's a hole in the back of that. It's been designed so you can remove the seat mount bolts at the front of the seats and bolt them back through the clamping loop to provide a very rigid and secure mount. The last piece are these angled multi-drilled arms that we can see here. They've been designed to provide up to 30 different positions for the extinguisher. They can be pointed away from the bracket, back underneath the bracket, upwards or downwards, wherever you find the most convenient and out of the way location for the extinguisher at the front or the rear of the seat. Now, speaking of the extinguisher, we've designed the Bracketeer to be compatible with the cradle supplied with most common makes and models of fire extinguishers, from 2 pounds to 2.5 pounds. We've even seen people use up to 5-pound extinguishers on these. The cradle simply bolts onto the front of those multi-drilled arms and once again can be positioned upwards or downwards wherever is the most suitable position. Once installed, the bracket will tuck neatly under the front or the rear of the seat, out of the way but within easy reach. The Bracketeer comes with everything you need for the installation, including stainless steel bolts, Allen keys, and a very easy to follow instruction sheet. All you're going to need to provide is the fire extinguisher and the cradle that comes with it to bolt onto the front of the bracket.